And what about your foot? Can you show us your foot? Good boy. So the orangutan have 4 long toes and 1 possible toe. Great job, Bruno. Everyone, please big applause for Bruno.
Bruno!
Thank you so much, Bruno. You can go back to your seat now. And actually, not only Bruno, we still have another Bornean orangutan. And this is Bruno's sister. Can
Brunei!
you see another Bornean orangutan on here? What is it?
Booty!
Yes, up there. Look at that. So up there we have Cherry. This is Bruno's sister. And she also comes from Borneo Island. Although the orangutan can walk upright for a short distance, just like us, in a while they will travel by breaking, which means they use their strong arms and strong legs to swing from a tree to another tree. It is because the orangutan arm span can reach up to 2 meters long. Jadi walaupun orangutan bisa berjalan tegak seperti kita manusia, namun di alam liar mereka lebih suka bergelantungan dari satu pohon ke pohon yang lain dengan menggunakan lengan dan kaki mereka yang kuat. And look, they have very strong arms and strong legs. It's very easy for Cherry to climb and pick the coconut. Very good, Cherry. She's got one of the coconut right here. Okay, let's do something with the coconut. Just take your time. No need to rush. And actually, not only have a strong arms and strong legs, the orangutan also have very strong teeth. And now, Cherry is showing us just how strong her teeth really are by pulling off the coconut. So everyone, could you please give support for Cherry?